Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Learner Podcast. I'm Anna, and we're really happy you're spending some of your free time with us today. Whether you're relaxing at home, sitting in your room, walking outside, or just taking a short break from your day.
Hi everyone, this is Tom. And yes, it feels really nice to talk about free time because it's one of those parts of life we all look forward to, even if it's just a few minutes.
Before we really start, if you enjoy listening to natural conversations like this and you want to improve your English without feeling stressed, make sure you subscribe to the English Learner Podcast so you can keep learning with us in a relaxed way.
Yes, subscribing makes it easy to listen anytime, like when you're resting, traveling, or just doing something simple.
So today, we're talking about free time, and I think free time means different things to different people, depending on how busy their day is and how they feel.
That's true. Sometimes free time feels very precious, especially on busy days, and you really want to use it well.
Exactly. And sometimes, when I finally have free time, I don't even know what I want to do at first.
I feel that too. Like you finish your work or school, and suddenly you have time, and you just sit there thinking.
Yes, and then you start doing small things, like checking your phone, stretching a little, or making a drink.
And those small actions slowly help you relax and enjoy the moment.
Sometimes my free time starts very quietly, like just sitting on the bed or sofa and taking a deep breath.
Same here. I think free time is also about letting your mind rest, not only your body.
And depending on my mood, my free time can change a lot.
Right. If I have energy, I might want to do something active.
Like going for a walk, cleaning a little, or doing some light exercise.
Or even going out to buy a snack or meet a friend for a short chat.
But on other days, free time feels better when it's slow.
Yes, like watching a show, listening to music, or just lying down.
I also like using free time to do small personal things, like organizing my space or planning my next day.
That's interesting, because even planning can feel relaxing when you do it in your free time.
Exactly, because there's no pressure. You do it at your own pace.
And sometimes free time is very short, like 10 or 15 minutes.
But even short free time can feel really good, like making a cup of tea or stepping outside for fresh air.
I agree. Those short breaks can really change your mood.
And sometimes free time is something you share with others.
Yes, like chatting with family, calling a friend, or just sitting together quietly.
And other times, free time is something you enjoy alone.
And that's also very important, because being alone helps you understand yourself better.
I really like that part of free time, when you don't need to talk or explain anything.
Just doing what feels right at that moment.
And free time doesn't always need to be productive.
Yes, it doesn't always have to be useful or planned.
Sometimes doing nothing is exactly what you need.
And that's still free time, even if it looks simple.
And when you think about it, free time is really about balance.
Balance between work, study, rest, and enjoyment.
And that balance helps you feel happier and more comfortable in daily life.
Exactly. And that's why free time is such an important topic to talk about.
You know, Tom, another thing I love about free time is all the little activities you can do, even if it's just for a few minutes, because they make the time feel full and relaxing.
Oh yes, like cooking something small, even if it's just a snack or a sandwich.
Exactly. I sometimes spend my free time trying a new recipe or just making a simple smoothie, and it feels really satisfying.
I like that too. Even boiling water for tea or making coffee can feel like a little ritual during free time.
And then there's reading, which is one of my favorite free time activities. I can read a few pages of a book, a short article online, or even just browse interesting topics.
Same here. And sometimes I read the news or check a blog about travel or hobbies. It makes free time feel productive but still relaxed.
And some free time, I like to watch videos or listen to podcasts.
Yes, that's a great way to relax and also practice English naturally.
And sometimes I spend my free time drawing or doing a little creative activity, like writing a short story or journaling.
I do that too. Even sketching or doodling for a few minutes makes me feel calm and happy.
And free time can also be moving your body a little, stretching, yoga, or even a short walk outside.
Yes, I like walking in the park or just around the neighborhood and noticing small things like the weather or people around me.
Sometimes I do small exercises like push-ups or stretching while listening to music. It's simple but energizing.
And free time can also be social, like calling a friend, chatting online, or having coffee with someone.
Absolutely. Even short chats during free time can feel very enjoyable.
And sometimes I go out for small errands, like visiting a shop, dropping something at the post office, or going to the market, and I treat it as free time too.
I like that too, because it combines something useful with a small break from routine.
And some free time activities are very relaxing, like taking a bath, listening to music, or lighting a candle and sitting quietly.
Yes, I also enjoy free time by looking at nature, like sitting by a window, watching the sky, or just observing birds and trees.
And photography can be fun too. Taking pictures during your free time makes you notice small things around you.
And even organizing things counts, like cleaning a drawer, arranging books, or tidying a shelf. It's small, but it makes me feel good.
Or organizing your phone, deleting old files, or sorting apps. It's productive, but still casual.
Sometimes free time is for learning something new, like a few words in English or a short video about a hobby.
Exactly. Learning can be part of free time if you do it lightly, without pressure.
And sometimes free time is just doing nothing, like staring at the ceiling, thinking, or daydreaming.
Those moments can be surprisingly refreshing, letting your mind rest and wander.
And playing a game, even a small one on your phone or a board game with family, can be part of free time.
Or listening to music, singing, or dancing a little, just having fun in your own space.
And sometimes I like to go outside, even for a few minutes, to feel the sun or breeze.
Yes, free time doesn't have to be long. It can be short but meaningful.
And doing multiple little activities in one free time session can make it feel full, like cooking, listening to music, and then reading a bit.
I love that. It feels like a mini adventure in your own day.
And the best part is, free time is yours. You choose what to do, how long to do it, and who to spend it with, if anyone.
Exactly. It's all about choice, comfort, and enjoyment.
I really enjoy how free time gives you the chance to do small things that make you happy, like reading a few pages of a book, trying a new recipe, or even just organizing a little corner of your room.
Absolutely. And sometimes free time feels like the perfect moment to be creative, like drawing, writing, or even experimenting with small crafts.
I also like listening to music during free time. Sometimes I put on calm music and just sit quietly, and other times I play upbeat songs and move around or even dance a little.
I do that too, and it's amazing how music changes the mood completely. It can make free time feel energetic or very relaxing, depending on the song.
Free time is also perfect for going outside, like taking a short walk, feeling the sun on your face, or watching the sky and noticing the clouds.
I love observing nature too, like birds, trees, or even small details on the street. It's simple, but makes free time feel special.
Sometimes I spend free time with friends, chatting, having coffee, or just sitting together. Even small conversations can feel very enjoyable.
And being alone during free time has its own charm. It helps you reflect, think about your day, or simply rest without any interruptions.
I often combine activities during free time, like making a snack, then reading a few pages, and finishing with listening to a podcast or music.
That mix makes free time feel richer and more satisfying.
Hobbies are also a big part of free time. Some people paint, play an instrument, or write, while others might play games, cook, or do gardening.
I like trying new hobbies in my free time too. Even if I'm not perfect at it, learning something new makes it exciting.
Short exercises can be part of free time as well, like stretching, yoga, or a quick walk. It's healthy, refreshing, and makes you feel energized.
And even small chores can feel relaxing if you do them slowly, like organizing your desk, folding clothes, or tidying a shelf.
Some of my favorite free time moments are when I do nothing at all. Just sitting quietly, thinking, or daydreaming for a few minutes helps me reset.
I feel the same. Sometimes just staring out the window, noticing small things, or watching the world go by is more relaxing than any activity.
Free time is also a chance to plan fun things, like a weekend trip, cooking a new dish, or learning a small skill online.
Even small plans give free time a sense of purpose and make it feel meaningful.
Reading or watching something educational can be part of free time too, as long as it's light and enjoyable, not stressful.
I sometimes watch short videos about hobbies, travel, or science during free time. It's relaxing and interesting at the same time.
Sometimes free time is playful, like solving a puzzle, playing a mobile game, or trying a challenge with friends.
Or even small competitions, like cooking a new dish together, or seeing who can finish a puzzle faster. It's fun and interactive.
Free time can also include self-care, like taking a bath, meditating, or simply stretching on the floor and breathing deeply.
Yes, those moments make you feel calm and balanced.
Sometimes I spend free time exploring my neighborhood, visiting a small park, or just walking around and noticing things I usually ignore.
I like that too. Discovering new little spots and enjoying the outdoors makes free time feel special.
And combining indoor and outdoor activities is great, like reading inside, then going outside for a short walk, then coming back for a snack.
That variety keeps free time interesting and refreshing.
Even small things like making coffee or tea, arranging flowers, or cleaning your desk can be part of free time when you do it slowly and mindfully.
And short free time moments, even 5 or 10 minutes, can make a big difference for your mood and energy.
Planning small free time activities in advance can help, but sometimes spontaneous free time is the best. You can just do whatever feels right in the moment.
That's true. Free time should feel natural and flexible, not forced.
The beauty of free time is that it's completely yours. You decide what to do, how long to do it, and whether to be alone or with others.
Exactly. And that freedom is what makes free time so enjoyable and important in daily life.
And the more you enjoy free time, the more it helps you feel relaxed, happy, and ready for the next part of your day.
I completely agree. Free time is not just a break, it's a way to recharge, explore, and enjoy little things that make life better.
Lately, I've realized that free time is one of the most valuable parts of the day because it's a chance to do things that make me happy without thinking about work or school.
I completely agree. And even small activities can make free time feel really meaningful, like making a cup of tea, listening to music, or just sitting by the window and watching what's happening outside.
Yes, and sometimes I spend free time doing things that feel productive but relaxing, like organizing my desk, folding laundry slowly, or rearranging my books.
Those small routines are surprisingly satisfying, and they make the environment around you feel calmer too.
Free time can also be very social. Sometimes I call a friend, send a funny message, or go out for a short walk together. And even simple conversations make me feel connected and happy.
Absolutely. It's amazing how even a short chat or a quick coffee with someone can change your mood.
And then there's active free time, like walking, jogging, riding a bike, or even doing a few stretches at home. It makes me feel more awake and energized.
I do that too, and sometimes I like combining active and quiet activities, like taking a walk outside and then coming back to read a few pages or listen to a podcast.
Free time is also a great moment for hobbies. I sometimes draw, write, bake something small, or even try a simple craft project.
I love trying new hobbies too. Even if I'm not perfect at them, experimenting with new things makes free time exciting.
And free time can also be playful as well, like playing a mobile game, solving a puzzle, or even just joking around with friends or family.
Those playful moments are important because they make you laugh and feel relaxed.
Sometimes free time is quiet, like sitting and thinking, daydreaming, or observing small details around you, like the clouds, the sun, or little things in nature.
I really enjoy that too. It's like a pause where your mind can rest and wander freely.
Free time can also be about learning in a fun way, like watching a short tutorial, reading about something interesting, or practicing a new language casually.
And that's the best part. You improve yourself without pressure, just enjoying the moment.
Another thing I love is combining small free time activities, like making a snack, listening to music, doing a little cleaning, and then reading a few pages. It makes the day feel fuller.
I do that too, and sometimes adding tiny moments like making a cup of tea or stepping outside for a breath of fresh air makes free time feel really special.
And the most important thing is that free time is flexible. You can choose what to do, how long to do it, and whether to be alone or with others.
Exactly. It's about comfort, choice, and enjoying yourself without stress.
Free time helps me feel more balanced, calm, and ready to face the next part of the day. Even small moments add up to a big difference in my mood.
I feel the same way. Free time isn't just a break, it's a way to recharge, explore, relax, and enjoy the little things that make life better.
So, to everyone listening, we hope this inspires you to notice your own free time moments, enjoy them fully, and try different activities that make you happy.
And remember, even 5 or 10 minutes of free time can be meaningful if you use it for something you enjoy.
Thank you so much for spending your free time with us today on the English Learner Podcast. Don't forget to subscribe so you can join us for more natural conversations and learn English while having fun.
Yes, subscribe and keep practicing every day. Notice the small moments and make your free time your favorite part of the day.
See you next time and enjoy every little moment of your free time.